Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm saylensolomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that all of you are fine and good, so take care of yourself, stay safe and God bless. For my today's vlog, I'm here in Botanic Garden as I'm very thankful and taking this opportunity as I'm taking the video of the yoga session of my Filipino friends. So here we go guys, stay with me. Enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the yoga session of my Filipino friends.
Namaste everyone. I would like to introduce myself, Rose Charm. I'm a yoga coach and studying also about yoga, and I would like to invite you for our yoga session here at Botanic Garden every morning, every Sunday morning, 7 to 8 a.m. And please, if you don't have any appointment during your off day o wala kayong mapupuntahan during your day off, you can join us and you can come here anytime, not anytime, every Sunday, and you can contact me and Silent also for any inquiries and questions. Just bring your yoga mat, water bottle and towel, and please wear a comfortable suit or yoga outfit or workout outfit, or like leggings and then tops. And then I would like to invite also everyone, to those beginners and advanced or doing yoga before and you want to continue, you can join us. If you are beginners, advanced and intermediate, you are welcome. Thank you so much. Namaste.
So mag-start na tayo, yung iba kakabon na lang kasi yung time.
Hi guys, nagwa-warm up sila ngayon. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang sexy nila. Ayan si Madam.
So si Annalyn, pupunta si Annalyn? Oo, 8 to 9 siya, dito days. Kaya umpisahan natin start. 8 to 9 siya sa, ano? Pag-start na siya. Ulit-ulit lang. Ito lang.
Diyan kaga. So good morning everyone. So just sit a comfortable position. Just cross your legs. So put your knees so it will be back. And from here, bring your arms and your fingers back.
on your back. And then drop. Down. Up. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax your shoulder. Exhale. Last two. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. And now we're going to do our eyes. Sometimes we do headstand. Our eyes is yung nag-ano ka na mumula. So now we need to do our eye exercise. So now just look up. Then you can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then sit down. Just maintain your head up, chin parallel to the ground. Then look down. Just move your head. Just move your head more. Just your eyes. Not to your right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look up to your left side. Move your head. Stay on the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you can repeat your eyes side. Count it like twice. You can do it. 5 and 4. Look up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Huwag nyo lang igalaw yung ulo nyo kasi yung mata nyo na.
Yup, parang nakita niyo si Crush.
Ulit ako, kaya lang hindi lumalaki yung mata ko.
Tapos i-press nyo ng yung parang pang ganon yung press na yung nagpipigil kayo. Then open wide and close. One more time. Close, open, close, open, and relax. Blink your eyes. Blink as much as you can. Beautiful eyes. And now we're going to do our shoulder. Bring your both palms on your shoulder and then rotate backward 10 times. 3, 2, 1. In front. 3, 2, 1. And relax. And now your shoulder just put forward and then your thumb put inside. And then sino nakatry na ng boxing dito? Yung inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Sige. Ganon nyo lang. This is good for our arms because we're using our arms, our shoulder when we're doing headstand. Tapos bilisan nyo yung parang mga energetic ba? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Bilis, bilis. Faster. Faster. Ganito ga. Inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. No. Even you're not doing push-up, you can do this alone. And relax. And then from here, back to this position. Also, we're going to rotate ourselves. Up, down, up, down. Ang hindi yung shoulder na bumove ha, itong ano lang, rest lang. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 3 times up, down, and relax. And then from here, ngalay no. Now we're going to do warm up our fingers. Just straight your back first. And then imagine that you are angry, you are scratching someone. 1, yung parang yung pusa. 2, fingers lang ang nag-move ha. Yung parang nag-scratch kayo slowly. Imagine that you are scratching or squeezing someone, something. Parang pusa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, down. And then we're going to go. Extend your shoulder. Feel the sensation of your arms. And relax. Come into a tabletop position. We're going to do our shoulder again. Tabletop. Make sure that your shoulder aligned to your wrist and then your knees aligned to your hips. If you are comfortable, just roll your back, engage your head, drop your belly, look up, inhale, exhale down. We're going to do the cat-cow pose. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and relax. And then from here, I'm distracted. Bring your right hand up, and then slowly bring your hands inside your left fingers, and then drop your shoulder, and then bring your left hands toward your head. Gia, extend your, yes. Drop your hands towards your mat, yes. You can walk your hands slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Other side, come back to the tabletop position and then bring your left hand up. Bring your left hand up. And then slowly bring towards your right hand. Oh, see, sure. Drop your shoulder. Extend your right hand. Sorry. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come back to the tabletop position. And just focus on yourself and then just enjoy the warm-up. And then from here, push your hips up. We're going to our first downward facing dog. Look at your navel, engage your shoulder, heels down. Okay ra ka diha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then slowly walk forward. Slowly walk forward, and then come up and relax. Bring your both pants up. We're going to do our Surya Namaskar. Bring your pants on your chest and relax. Come into the edge of your mat. We're going to do our Surya Namaskar, and then bring your both palms up. Inhale, exhale down. Then inhale here, bring your right leg on the back of your mat into a low lunge. Bring your knee down and look up. And then from here, bring your left leg at the back of your mat into a high plank position. And then come into a child pose and relax from here.
Drop your hips down. Drop your heels.
Drop your hips towards your heels and your forehead towards your mat. And then from here, slowly come back, chest down on your mat. From here, slowly come up into a cobra pose. Look up. And then from here, tuck in your toes, hips up, come into a downward facing dog. Look at your navel, engage your shoulder. And then from here, bring your right leg towards in between of your hands. Hi. And then your left leg together with your right leg. And then from here, slowly come up into a mountain pose. Bring your right hand up. Bring your palms up, and then bring your both palms on your chest and relax. Focus on your breathing. And then bring your both palms down on your mat. Now bring your left leg. Okay, we're going to our high lunge. And then from here, bring your right leg on the back of your mat into a high plank position. And then from here, bring your knees down into a child pose and relax from here. And then from here, come back into a tabletop, chest on your mat, chest down, chin down, and come up into a cobra pose and relax from here. Relax, just relax. And then from here, bring your toes on your mat and then bring your hips up. I cannot focus already. Come into a downward facing dog and relax from here. And then from here, bring your left leg forward and right leg forward. And then from here, slowly bring your right hand, both hands on the sky, and then look up from here. And then bring your both palms on your chest and relax. We're done our sun salutation A. Now we're going to bring your both palms down and bend your knee and sit on your mat as a comfortable position. And now we're going to do our core exercise to warm up our core. So just sit on in the middle of your mat, find a comfortable position, and then from here, support your elbow towards your back, and then you can do the boot pose. Extend your leg down, bend your knee, extend your leg, engage your core, down your leg, bend your knee, extend your leg, down, bend, extend leg, down, bend. Faster. Don't hold your breath. It is good for our core. And relax. And then from here, we're going to do the boat pose. So just bend your knee because you are still some of those beginner. You can bend your knee and then slowly extend your leg, stretch your back. If you are beginners, you can bend your knees. Focus. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then relax from here. First tabletop, bend your knee, push your back towards the sky, and you can relax your neck if you don't have any neck problem.
Buttocks up.
And relax. God, relax. Just relax your knees and relax your neck muscle. Engage your butt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then relax. We're going to practice the headstand. So, hindi ko nasabi sa kanina the benefits of headstand and limitations. So, I give you one benefits. It's good for the circulation of the blood towards our head, our brain, and then it's good for our metabolism also, and memory, focus, and concentration. Limitation, you cannot do if you have vertigo and during your menstruation, if you have surgery, but you can do 4 to 5 months after your surgery. If you have if you are pregnant also, you cannot do the headstand. You can do, but if you are doing it before your pregnancy, you can do with the professional, with the guidance of professional. If you have any air infection, nose, may sipon kayo, colds, please avoid this pose for a meantime na meron pa kayo nun. So now, I demonstrate kasi patapos na tayo. Interlace your finger. Just give a, wag niyong iganon siya. Give a space. And then your pinky finger put inside of your hands. So now, imagine that you are doing it to putting your hands on your head. Just imagine your crown. So, yung crown nyo, i-measure yung crown. How you check your crown? Just put your head on your mat. And then, from here, how you measure? Come into a tabletop first. How you measure your body? Come into a tabletop first. And then from here, where your hands, kung saan yung hands nyo, put your elbow there. And then measure the distance of your hands, elbow. Measure. And then from here, interlace your finger. And then bring your head down. And then now check where is your crown. Saan yung comfortably kayo. Kasi iba-iba ang shape ng head natin. Kung saan kayo comfortably, just relax your finger. Your finger should be relaxed. What happened? Okay. And then from here, okay, ready na? So, kung saan yung comfortably, balik kayo sa, tingin muna kayo dito, kung saan yung comfortably kayo, yun yung ay ilalagay nyo sa floor kung makahanap kayo ng balance. So, tingnan nyo muna ako, i-demo ko sa inyo how to do the headstand. So, first, I come into a tabletop position. I breathe first, like relax your breathing. If you are already calm and relaxed, bring your elbow and then you can measure first. And then interlace your finger, pinky finger inside. Bring your head down. And then from here, bring your legs up. And then slowly walk forward. Then from here, engage your core. And please do not kick from here. If you are beginners, if you try to kick, it's not advisable pag nag-iisa kayo. Kasi pag nag-kick kayo, may posibilidad na yung weight ng body nyo, matutumba kayo. So from here, engage your core first. Bend your knee one by one, and then followed by the other one. hold from here. And then from here, if you are confident, if you can find your balance, slowly bring your legs up. If you want to go down, bend one by one and down. So, ang technique dito is patigasin nyo yung tiyan nyo. Ang hands, ang head, wala siyang parang dito 70%, 30%. So, you can relax like this. And if you have some masakit yung ulo nyo, you can relax. You can massage your head like that. Round. So if you are like, look, tiriringay already and then you wake up. Like your gulo-gulo hair na. Okay. I ask you to try. Just try kung komportable kayo. Kung saan kayo komportable. Find your comfortable position hanggang ma-find nyo yung balance nyo. Okay, interlace your finger, relax, breath, slowly walk. Sige. Yes. Sige pa. Engage your glute. Engage your glute. Sige pa. Sige pa. Dito. It's okay to fall down. Wow.
I-erase mo yung knees up mo.
And relax. Yes. What happened? Very good, Gia. Tip 2. And if you want to go down, bend your knee one by one. Yes. Good. Was it terrain? Yes. Practice. Relax. Breathe pa. Okay. Find your balance. Engage your glute. Straight mo pa. Push pa. Push. 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 Hold. Engage your core. This time, engage your core. Patigasin mo yung knee mo. Yes. Press your shoulder, your elbow down. Focus. Relax your mind. Yes. Wow. Yes. Ikaw ga. Assist ko muna. Relax muna, relax. Kasi nagmamadali ka. Interlace your finger first. Breathe 2 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Okay. Interlock your fingers.
Okay, can you just come in inside and then you
Okay.
walk
Then
you
extend your leg. Slowly walk.
it's okay, right? So you fall at the same place that we did
Okay. Now bend your knee.
before in the leg.
Now yes, push. Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
The puppy, right? Just the same walking. Go to the leg and then yes, and then you see the back.
Now engage your core. Press your shoulder. Press your elbow down
You are already near to the leg.
and relax your body.
So you're inside.
Just relax. Relax mo lang yung tummo. Huwag mong tigasan. Now, tigasan mo yung knee side mo at saka yung glute mo. Squeeze your glute. Patigasin mo yung puwit mo. Yan. Yes. Para your headstand is stable. Okay. Yes. Alright. Okay. So now, kung mawalan kayo ng balance, hi Dami. I teach you how to fall down. Sa kuan man gud niya kamera. Now, I teach you how to fall down in the headstand, sa headstand ha, kasi minsan magpo-fall down tayo. So ganon. Pag na-fall down kayo, your mind is in the tip nyo. Kailangan unang mag-drop ay yung paa nyo. Protect your back from here. So, i-push nyo yung back nyo. Drop. Kung emergency talagang landing, ito talaga yung paa nyo ang magsusupport. Tapos, i-ganon nyo yung nyo. Basta sa emergency landing, protect nyo yung back nyo. So, before you do headstand, ang i-warm up nyo is your shoulder, your mata, kasi importante din yung mata. If you have glaucoma also, you cannot do the headstand kasi yung dugo mamumuo sa mata, delikado. Saka yung flexibility of your hips and your back. Kasi, di ba, pag nag-headstand tayo, di ba, naglalakad, di ba? Di ba, we engage our hips and our back. So, before you do headstand, you can do the cat cow, or you can do some camel pose na engaging your back muscle and your hips. So yun lang. Any question, any you can message me always also to support you. So if you are comfortable, we can try now. Sabay-sabay. You want? Kung gusto mo ga doon ka magbalintong ga. Doon. Kaya para malawak yung paligiran doon.
Parang ang haba niya. Parang sa forward. Yun. Ano man ang ulit para hindi ka halata na. Yeah, you see, you didn't follow. Yung bat mo, i-squeeze mo. Tapos, belly. Okay, sige.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you help me to support my channel. Subscribe my channel as well. Comment, like, and share. Hit the notification bell. Thank you guys. See you in my next vlog. Have a God bless day guys. I love you and take care.